Hi everyone, meet Teledyne LeCroy's new WAVESURFER 4000 HD oscilloscope, a general-purpose, full-featured instrument that comes in bandwidths from 200 MHz to 1 GHz and sampling rates of up to 5 gigasamples per second. WAVESURFER 4000 HD delivers unrivaled performance at an unbeatable value. Built into WAVESURFER 4000 HD is Teledyne LeCroy's HD 4096 technology, giving you 12-bit vertical resolution all the time for clean, crisp waveform displays coupled with the industry's lowest baseline noise. To leverage all that performance, WAVESURFER 4000 HD comes with a powerful suite of measurement and analysis tools, including WaveScan, history mode, pass-fail mask testing, extensive serial trigger and decode support, sequence mode, lab notebook, and loads of advanced math and measurement tools. WAVESURFER 4000 HD is a 12-bit oscilloscope for the price of 8 bits and has 6 instruments rolled into one: an oscilloscope, an MSO with 16 digital inputs, an arbitrary waveform generator, a digital voltmeter, a frequency counter, and a spectrum analyzer. WAVESURFER 4000 HD provides comprehensive probe support, starting with a Probus-compatible interface, the same reliable and universal interface that has mated Teledyne LeCroy's probes and oscilloscopes for over 20 years. Choose from over 30 different probes in 9 product categories to satisfy virtually any probing application. The WAVESURFER 4000 HD oscilloscope is powered by MAUI with One Touch, which delivers a unique set of touchscreen gestures that simplifies measurement setup and brings unsurpassed efficiency and intuitiveness to oscilloscope operation. WAVESURFER 4000 HD from Teledyne LeCroy. Unrivaled performance and an unbeatable value.